nau mai koutou. KorCassidy ia, she is Cassidy.
And more Aotearoa Winton School, Kor Sarah ia, she is Sarah. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rahina, the 11th of April.
Okay, let's start the day with tidy class news. Can we have a big pizza drum roll, please, for room 1?
Ka pai koutou. Looks like room 1 is going to nosh out with a pizza lunch reward.
Congratulations, well done room 1. And it starts all over again next term. Keep it tidy, Winton School.
Okay, on to kupu or te wiki. This week's word is kura, which is te reo for love.
As in how pai te kura. My school is a good school.
Ka pai. On to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is moderate, from 11 till 2.
And now potae is still required from 11. Kia ora.
I don't have my sun hat.
Don't worry, you can just sit in the junior lunch area at interval and lunch.
I'll go get it now.
Good for you. Good girl.
High-vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
And ice packs. If you use an ice pack, please make sure the ice pack is returned to the office. Kia ora.
Still on health and safety news. Bikes and scooters, everyone must walk them within school grounds.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Which one is it?
I think it's that one.
Nope, that one.
Okay.
Sports gear. Please return all the equipment to the trolleys at the end of interval and lunchtime, then queue.
Tiki team news. You have a meeting in room 13 at lunchtime today, please.
House news. We were going to have our lunches together in our usual spots today, but the weather looks average.
So remember, the inter-house touch finals are tomorrow. The students will know who are playing.
Please come prepared tomorrow for the 2 final games of inter-house touch. Kia ora.
Alrighty, birthday news. Naji Walker turns the big 8 today.
Happy birthday, Naji. Have a great day.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā and stay sharp, Winton School.